Lisa Sigell spoke with a local law professor who clerked for Justice Kennedy. Lisa, he's predicting some major rulings will be overturned, huh?
Yeah, well, he is predicting a lot. He says, of course, the Supreme Court can obviously, surprise him, but that's what he's saying. Justice Kennedy announced his retirement just a day before his 82nd birthday. He says it's to spend more time with his family, but the decision has sent shockwaves through Capitol Hill and across the nation.
The whole object of the judiciary is to ensure stability, continuity. And so we pride ourselves on the fact that there's little change.
In a move that some experts believe will set in motion a seismic shift to the right on the highest court in the land, 81-year-old Justice Anthony Kennedy is retiring after more than 30 years on the bench. He sided with both liberals and conservatives, earning him the reputation as the court's swing vote.
The cases swing, I don't.
Kennedy, a moderate conservative, was seen as a consensus pick when President Ronald Reagan nominated him in 1987.
It's popular with colleagues of all political persuasions.
On the Second Amendment, prisoners' rights, and the constitutionality of Obamacare, he sided with conservatives. But on other issues,
he would side with liberals on those big social issues that people care about, whether it was abortion, affirmative action, or gay rights.
Sam Ehrman, a USC constitutional law professor who clerked for Kennedy, says with the president's first Supreme Court pick already in place, his next is likely to be an even more staunch conservative. And many of the court's past close rulings, which swung 5-4 because of Kennedy, will now be revisited.
My prediction is there will soon be a majority to severely undermine or reverse Roe versus Wade. There will soon be a majority to curtail or end affirmative action. And the majority that had existed in favor of gay rights will now disappear, and that the extension of same-sex marriage to other spheres like discrimination, employment, will not be a clear-cut path.
Ehrman says there can always be surprises when it comes to the nation's highest court, but he believes the coming change will shape decisions for years to come.
This has been something that the conservative legal movement has been aiming to accomplish for decades.
President Trump says he will nominate Kennedy's successor from a list of 25 names that he made public during the campaign. Pat and Jeff, back to you.